Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make mango coconut layered rice pudding with a touch of Bangladeshi flavor. It's a dairy-free and gluten-free recipe. This is a very simple and easy to make, well, not so quick, but when you taste this pudding, you will say this recipe well worth that time. And we're gonna serve it little fancy way today. Let's see what we need first. We will cut 2 large mango into cubes. We need half cup rice. Usually in Bangladesh we use a special kind of Bengali rice called chini gura, but it's not available in US market, so I'm going to use the basmati rice. And then we need sugar. I have here coconut sugar. I'm gonna also use white sugar. Then we need some pistachios nuts and 3 cardamom pods. Rose water, you can find it any Indian grocery store, and 1 cup coconut milk. I wash my rice and then let it soak for 1 hour. It makes this rice soft enough to break with hands, and just break as much as you can, and don't throw that water. We're gonna start cooking with this water. Stir occasionally so it not create any lumps. If you want to print this recipe, you can do it at my website. I will put the link in description box. After adding coconut milk, we still keep stir. And when we put those cardamom pod, don't open it too much. Just open little bit so the flavors comes out, but not the black seeds. When rice became thick, add sugar. I'm using white sugar here so my rice looks white. I'm using 1 teaspoon rose water here, but you can use more or less, depend on your taste. It's look like our rice is fully cooked. We're gonna turn off the heat now, because when it's cooled down, it will become more thick. Now let's make our mango sauce. You can do it at the same time when you make rice, but I'm showing you here one by one so you can understand all the steps clearly. For mango sauce, I'm using coconut sugar. You can use any sugar of your choice. If you want to keep your mango sauce look bright yellow, you may want to use white sugar. Coconut sugar and brown sugar make it little darker. Mango is cooked now. We're gonna let it cool down before blending. So here is the final look of our mango sauce. To get full flavor of any nuts, either roast it or blanch it in warm water. Now everything is ready, so it's time to serve. I'm using a small clear glasses so my layers became visible. These glasses are 4 ounce each and I'm doing 4 layers. You can use bowls to serve and do as many layers as you want. Now it's time to take some pictures for Instagram. Don't forget to check out my Instagram account. I share there all the behind the scene and lot more food ideas. Photo session is done. Now I need a big spoon. It's so good. I can't stop eating. Before I lost in its flavor, let me remind you, don't forget to subscribe my channel and check out my other videos. Thank you for watching and talk to you on my next video. Till then, stay happy and healthy.